Hi guys, this will be the first time I'm gonna be doing backtesting sessions. So I'm gonna record myself backtesting so you guys can see my thought process when I enter into trades. And I'm also gonna explain how which website I use for backtesting and why backtesting is a good habit if you want to be a profitable trader. So the backtesting website I use is FX Replay. I have the I have the pro version, but if you guys are just starting out, you guys don't have to. You guys can just use it to play around, test out your strategies throughout maybe a year or some months of data, just so you can get a hang of trading. And when you get into the live markets, you can have some confidence when you enter into trades. So yeah, that's the first thing. Why it's a good habit. Confidence. When you guys go into the live markets with a strategy you found on YouTube, like let's say a pattern strategy, you see M, so you sell. Maybe it works, maybe it doesn't, but the thing is, when you enter into live markets, you'll feel emotions, because when you're playing with real money, there's confirmed gonna be emotions when you first start out. But how you can combat that is through backtesting. So let's say through that strategy, you backtested through 3 years of data, and you find that it has a 70% win rate. So next time you enter trades into a live market, and it goes against you for a while, you won't feel emotions, because you know in your heart, in your mind, you know that you backtested this strategy through 900 days of data. So it's a 70% win rate. If I'm gonna lose today, the odds of me winning tomorrow is higher. So it's fine. It's all about risk management, your psychology, your executions. It's 90% psychology and 10% strategy. So for my strategy so far, me and my friend Amir, we've only been through a few months, 6 months of data, but we plan to bring this all the way to 2025. So we're going to go through 900 days, almost 900 trading days, and so far our win rate is not bad, 51%, and our average risk to reward is 2.2. So that is in the long run is already profitable data. If you have a 1 to 2 risk to reward, average risk to reward with a 50% win rate, you can be profitable for days to come already. So that's why you can relax. That's why I'm so relaxed. Even if I lose, it's fine. I just turn off the charts and make myself not hop back into the markets, because that's when you lose, when you don't follow your plan. And yeah, it's also good for following plans. So for example, me and my partner, we were missing a lot of trades on pre-market. So we were missing out on thousands and thousands of dollars on pre-market, because we are only supposed to start trading at 9:30, right? But let's say the market already has big moves before 9:30. So we were just consulting each other. We were saying, wait, should we start taking trades on pre-market then? So we were thinking about it, because it will change a lot of our planning and how we strategize our trades. So I realized when we were backtesting, we always only start at 9:30. And our win rate is already 50%. So it's fine. We don't have to switch our strategy. We don't have to FOMO. We don't have to get the feeling of missing out. It's fine. We just have to stick to our plan, because eventually the profits will come. We just have to stay disciplined. So that's why backtesting is very good. It will enhance your psychology, help you to backtest, help you to practice your strategy. And then, yeah. So those are the two main reasons why I backtest. And in today's session, I'm going to backtest live in front of you guys, so you guys can see my thought process. Okay, let's start backtesting. This is Wednesday. Alright. Okay, so no highs, no previous day highs or lows taken yet. But we do have an untapped 30-minute over here. That 1 hour that aligns with a 15-minute. So if New York takes out previous day highs, takes out all this liquidity, I'm gonna expect price to come back all the way down here, sweep liquidity here, and tap into this gap so it can go higher. But we're gonna look for shorts. Let's see if there's any gaps on the higher time frame. Over here there's a bearish one. So if price does this, I'll let it play out, and then I'll execute the trade and let you guys see. Let's wait for a higher time frame confirmation, SMT confirmation with ES also. So we are 15 minutes to market open. Okay, open. Took out these easy pre-market liquidity, but I'm not gonna take longs. We've got a smaller time frame SMT, but I wanna see this liquidity get taken out first. Oh yeah, it got taken. Oh yeah, big SMT. Okay, so got the SMT over here. Probably gonna look for shots. Took out this high inside this gap. I'll probably go for this low over here. No good entry points though. Anything on 2 minutes. Yeah, nothing on 2 minutes. No really. Maybe a structural form and then we can short again. If not, we're gonna have to short from this gap once it inverses. Oh, the SMT's gone. Okay, we're not looking for shorts right now. Any higher time frame SMT? Nope. There is none. Oh, there's one over here. Oh, NQ just took out previous day highs and formed an SMT with ES. So maybe now we can short. Is it respecting any 4 hour gaps, 1 hour gap? There is a 1 hour order block over here. Alright, we're still gonna look for shorts, and we got a decent entry over here. If it inverses this gap, we're taking shots. If it inverses this gap, we're taking shorts. Alright, gap inversed. We're probably not gonna target that 15-minute gap all the way down there because it's way too far. It's a 1 to 7, 1 to 8 risk to reward. We'll probably break even at this untapped 5-minute and this untapped 15-minute. Wait, no, that doesn't count. Yeah. Let's see if this plays out. I'm gonna set my order. Okay, I'm breaking even instantly because it tapped into the 5-minute. Oh my gosh, bro. Would it have been a loss? Let's see. Because it's still respecting that 5-minute. No, it just chopped all the way. Yeah, break even day. Yeah, sometimes it just do be like that, but you have to just keep your capital safe and just wait for the next day. This happens more than you'd think. So you can't always come into the day wanting to make like 10k. That's not going to be possible. I mean, sometimes you can get really lucky, but when that time comes, you have to have capital to preserve. When that time comes, you can't blow it all on yesterday's trade. Imagine if I went break even and then I wanted to really force a winning trade that day and then I overtrade, I would have probably lost 5% in capital. So it's just best to lose nothing than to win something. Okay, so now we're on the next day. We got, this is Thursday, we got previous day low sweat. Previous day low over here. Yeah, price has just been respecting this daily gap over here. So maybe if we can see price take out these lows again, while tapping into the gap, maybe we can look for longs because it took previous day lows already. Okay. See if any SMT forms with ES2. 1, 2. Okay, New York open. Crazy wick. Respecting this 15-minute. If it inverses this 15-minute, I'll look for longs to this buy side. Or maybe previous day highs also. Alright, the 15-minute got inversed. Maybe I tap back into this gap. Oof. Did I miss out? Did I just miss out? Okay, no, we just tapped into this 5 minutes. Maybe you can get a 1 minute to inverse. If price taps back into this 1 minute while making a 1 minute inverse, I'll enter longs. Okay. If this inverses, I'm taking it. Is there any small time frame SMT? Oh, there is. Oh, this is actually A plus for longs. Where are we targeting these highs? 1 to 4, almost a 1 to 5. Wait. Once it inverses, I'll place the order. Oh, it's chopping shit. Yeah, I'm not taking it. Not here. Okay, are we gonna tap into another 5-minute gap over here? Yeah, we are over here. We just inverse this 5 minute though. So I'll probably still look for longs but break even at that inverse. Okay, this inverse over here. Tapped in at 5 minute. Alright. We're gonna be in. Gonna end off the retest. No SMT, but still a good setup. We're gonna target these highs. Equal highs over here. Okay, we got triggered. Okay, I wanted to break even at the 5 minute inverse, but we already inversed that, so we're gonna keep going. Okay, we are breaking even now. Oof, that's not a good reaction. Wow, that's another break even there. See, I would have lost if I didn't break even. 2 break evens in a row. Okay, still not that bad. It could have been a loss. Let's see. Maybe another SMT over here, but longs again. Are we tapping into anything? We already just tapped onto this 15 minute on mark. Oh, we didn't. Okay. Let's just mark this SMT out and see what happens. What time is this? This is exactly 11 PM. So I'm not gonna take anything. I'm just gonna forward test. After 11 PM, I don't take trades because I only trade 9:30 to 10, so my psychology doesn't get too messed up. So let's see. Yeah, if I had taken this trade, it would have chopped for a straight 27 minutes, and that would suck. Chop meaning like price is not going anywhere, just going sideways. That'll mess with your psychology. And price will edge my stop loss. So yeah, you know what? It's fine. We'll hop onto Friday. Is there any news on Friday? Oh, there is news. Not too high impact. CPI, food energy, 8:30 PM. Yeah, you're fine. Okay, let's hop on the daily. Okay, time to do this daily. Took out previous day lows. If it inverses this daily, you're probably gonna look for shots. Oh my gosh. The news data was bearish, so maybe you can target data highs later over here. Wow, okay. New York opens in 15 minutes. New York opened. I'm probably gonna look for longs to this data high over here. Wait, let's see if ES is still in the daily gap. Oh, it's not. It's completely inversed. Okay. If it respects this 1 minute, we're probably gonna be bearish for the rest of the day. If not, I want to see SMT and then another inverse. Okay, just inversed it. So I'm probably gonna look for longs into this data high, but I want a better entry. Okay, we got an SMT. Use the same inverse gap maybe. Oh shit. Yeah, SMT might get invalidated. Yeah, and SMT just got destroyed, bro. What? Are we not taking data highs? It's just chopping. 2 more minutes until 10 PM macro. Oh, what's this? Yeah, probably gonna continue bearish. Is there anything on fours? Oh, there's all this resting liquidity down here, I guess. Oh shit. Maybe you're gonna target these. I don't know. Let's see. Wow, so no entry yet. Still looking for shots, but there's no gap here to enter off. Okay. This might be good. This might be a good entry. We just got a bullish inverse. And they tap into anything. 3 minutes. 2 minutes. I don't know. A really small gap here. But there is so many wicks that shows that it's respecting it. So yeah, this might be the only trade we're going to take today. Just to take out these liquidity zones down here. It's quite risky, but it's the risk I'll take. Because this entire week we had no trades. It's at 1 to 8. What? I'm placing the order. Yeah, it's a really tight stop loss. So if this doesn't play out, it's fine. It's still a B plus setup. Yeah, it's probably not going to play out. Yeah, first L of the week. So I've done 3 days already. We still got 2 more days to go. Oh my god. ES just took out all those liquidity down there. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Wait, was my bias right yesterday? Did I not find the perfect entry? See, sometimes it can be like this. So your bias can be right, your entry can be right sometimes. See, I said that price was going to take out liquidity down here, right? It did. But I just had a horrible entry. So yeah, it can be like that. It'll mess with your psychology. But again, sometimes you have to suck it up. Have enough capital to keep trading for the next few days. Because it can suck, but it's part of the game. Okay, obviously previous day lows has been taken. There's a... Oh, it's a NWOG. New week opening gap over here that we might fill. Maybe you can look for longs into that zone. Okay, what did... London lows taken pre-market. Okay, New York opened. Maybe we can take out these resting lows before we go higher. Form a SMT. Okay, the lows were taken, but there was no SMT. There is one over here. Really small one. I doubt that it will hold. But let's see. Yep, completely gone. The next one would be here, but if it goes there, well, we gotta take out these lows here. What? So bearish. We have to fill this gap. There's no way you don't fill this gap. No way we actually form an SMT with this. No shot. Ooh, was that a Mac model? Shit, that was a Mac model into the 5 minutes. Yeah, that sucks. Hold on. Oh, no SMT though. Okay, now we're going back down. Let's see. There's equal lows here. Equal lows taken. Oh my gosh, are we gonna form SMT with this? Did we? No, we didn't. What is going on in 2022? Oh, great, SMT. Very nice. If this doesn't hold, I might not take a trade on this day. Where's our entry? Wow, no entry. There's one over here, but what's the RR? Wait, actually the R is pretty good. It's all the way up here. Oh my gosh, it's actually insane. Okay, then I want a higher time frame confirmation, maybe on 2-3 minutes. 3 minutes. This gap. Yeah, I think let's stick to this 1 minute entry. Yeah, this is gonna be the setup. If price inverses this 1 minute, we're taking longs into the NWOG. Price is just chopping. If price takes out all this low resistance liquidity again and then inverses the gap, that'll be A plus. Okay. Oh shit, now the SMT's gone though. Okay, maybe you got a lower time frame one. ES is about to invalidate this gap, so Holy shit, what happened? Do we have a SMT? No, we don't. How should I take longs? It's quite risky. Can I wait for a retest? Okay. It did come back 5 minutes. Oh, and it just tapped into this 5 minute too. Okay. I wanna see this gap get inversed and then I'll take a long. Ooh. Yeah. Good thing we didn't take longs there. See? Some people may have FOMO. They saw this leave, wait for a retest, they would have entered stop loss around here. They would be in big drawdown right now. But you have to wait for confirmations. Oh, we got SMT, but internal SMT might not hold. Okay, it's holding. Oh shit, it's a good reaction. Very good reaction. Yeah, we're gonna have to wait for the retest if not. Okay, we're probably not gonna target and walk then. Yeah, although the risk to reward seems very juicy, 1 to 15, that means there'll be 15k for the account. But let's find something else to target. London highs maybe. Yeah, London highs hasn't been taken. Okay, I'm gonna wait for retest and I'm gonna enter. Okay, we got triggered. Okay, this is good. I'm gonna break even at these highs. Oh, are we not gonna fill those highs? There's a gap here. Then my respect. Okay, those highs were taken just by a small bit. So if it does reverse from this high and inverse this gap, I'm gonna be break even today for the entire week. This entire backtesting session, I've just been break even. 1 loss and like 3 break evens. Yeah, but there's no way. Yeah, we just inverse this gap again. Now it's already 12 p.m. 12 a.m. Yeah. Break even session. So let's do a session recap. Oh my gosh. The win rate just increased, but that doesn't matter. Hold on. Yeah. 4 break evens and 1 loss. So that's minus 1% on the whole week. But that's fine, because look, January we were up 11%, February we were only down 1%, March we were up 26%. So it's fine. It's okay to have a break-even week. Don't let that get to you. Once you let that get to you, once you get greedy, you really want to force a winning trade, that's when you're going to start losing it all. You're not supposed to let that happen as a trader. You're supposed to trade with algorithmic with that kind of mindset. You can't, the moment you let emotions get to you, that's when the market start to win. Yeah, but such a shame. I wanted to show you guys a winning back testing trade for this session, but maybe you can get it back tomorrow on Sunday. Yeah.